In this exercise, we have about 5 sentences and we have certain options. So we're going to choose the right option that will fit the blank as per the tense it states in the sentence. Alright, let's go. The first one, the plane dash at 3:30. So here we know that the plane is yet to come. So it is going to come, alright, and arrive at 3:30. So here the plane, out of the options arrives and will arrive, the option that gives me or states or expresses something that is going to happen in the future is will arrive. So this is my answer. The plane will arrive at 3:30. Let's move to the second one. I'm sure she dashed the exam. My options are passes, will pass. Again here, she's written the exam. We don't know the result yet, but you are stating that, or you think that she will pass the exam. So I gave you the answer. Will pass is the correct answer. Third one. I dash the Joshis this evening. Joshis is the name of the family. I dash the Joshis this evening and my options are visit and visiting. So in the evening, which means, any time in the evening, and you're saying throughout, evening is a whole period, right? So I visit the Joshis? No. What are you doing this evening? I'm visiting the Joshis this evening. So I'm visiting is a continuous tense, present tense. Okay, so I am visiting the Joshis this evening. Fourth one, when I get home, my dog dash at the gate waiting for me. My options are sits, will be, sitting. When I get home, which means probably he's not at home right now, obviously. Maybe he's at work. So when I go there, my dog, again, will be sitting. Right? So when I get home, my dog will be sitting at the gate waiting for me. Look at those black clouds, it dash. My options are will rain, is going to rain. So both denote an action that is happening in the future. However, here, right here is my clue. Look at those black clouds, which means I'm pointing out at the clouds right now and I'm saying anytime it will rain. So something that creates an urgency. Will rain? I don't know. Maybe after 1 hour, maybe after 2 hours. But here, this is the clue saying, anytime you see black clouds, you know for a fact that it's going to rain anytime, right? So creating an immediate action is going to rain. So this is my answer. So look at those black clouds, it is going to rain. Alright, and this is all we have for this session. I will see you guys in the next session. Thank you.